Welcome to the first video in the Speaking English Easily series. In this series of videos, I intend to show you how it is possible to speak English in a very simple way. In this first video, I will give you some general tips on how to improve your English faster. English is a very easy language to learn. However, it is very important that you understand that you need to have contact with the language every day. Knowing the grammar of the English language is very important, but you need to do more than simply study grammar. You need to listen to audios in English every day, read texts to increase your vocabulary, and try to create and speak sentences to develop your conversation skills. You need to understand that, to learn English, it needs to be present in your daily life. For example, when watching a movie, set the sound to English. If you have difficulties, you can set the subtitles to your native language. But the most important thing is that the audio is in English, so that your brain assimilates the language in a natural way, in the same way it assimilated your native language. As you begin to understand more English words, you will become more confident in speaking. Finally, it is important that you practice speaking with a teacher or friend who speaks the language and can correct your mistakes. I hope you liked this first video. In the next videos, we will see many interesting things about the English language. Keep studying hard.